Hello there, and thank you very much for joining us today in this new Azure Portal how-to video. Today, we learn how to save money in Azure using Azure Advisor cost recommendations. And for that, we have Saket Gupta, who's going to show us how to do that. So thank you very much for joining us, Saket.
Thanks, Leon. Azure Advisor is a single pane of glass for all your Azure best practices. It analyzes your subscriptions, environment, and configurations to generate best practice recommendations, which are super actionable and tailor-made for you. These recommendations can give you benefit in categories like cost, high availability, security, performance, and operational excellence. Cost is super important for our customer, and we have some high-impact recommendation which can optimize your subscription for cost and also save some quick money for the subscriptions. So let's jump into Advisor and try these cost recommendations. So here, in Azure Portal, you can go to Advisor by typing Advisor in the search, and you will see the first item there. If you click on it, you will get to the Azure Advisor landing page. Here you can see the categories and the summary for recommendation for each of these categories. So let's jump to the cost category. So here in this category, I have 4 active recommendations for my subscription, 1 high impact, 1 medium impact, and 2 low impact recommendations. It's impacting my 8 resources overall for my subscription. I also see my potential savings for this subscription is, or for these recommendations is $6,000. It's very enticing. So let's engage with these recommendations and save this money. So here, this is the page where you will see the list of the recommendation. You can also see the potential savings for each of these recommendations. So I'm going to pick the top one, which is right size or shut down your VM. What it does is it analyzes the usage data for your VM, like CPU utilization, network utilization, and memory pressure. And based on that, it recommends you to either resize or right size or shut down your VM. So let's go ahead and save money by remediating these recommendations. So by clicking on recommendation type, I get to this page, which is recommendation detail page. Here you can learn more about this recommendation, and you will see a list of resources for which the recommended actions is being given by Azure to you. So take an example of this resource. Based on our data usage analysis, we have recommended you to shut down, and you will save $146 if you do that. It's super easy. You click on this recommended action, and you will see this page. It has all the details about this resource, and then you have a shutdown button, which you can click, and you have remediated it and saved money. That's it. It's very easy to do these actions and remediate these recommendations. We have other recommendations also for right-sizing your SQL DB, or take care of your unused containers, and your orphan IPs, public IPs also. So yeah, it's an easy way of saving money. That's it.
Thank you very much, Saket. And thanks every one of you for watching this video. Please try this out and start saving money today with Azure Advisor. Let us know what you think, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.